Right, time to take care of the Subie VR1. For the girl, it's the same oil as I use on the Corrado on Grey Goose, so I'll run the same oil. This is good for the good. So free worries about the spinning rod bearing on those cars if you beat on them, because it's the VR1. It's not sponsored, by the way, but this is my choice for a while now. All right, first thing first, oil filter out, then lift the car and drain the oil. Very simple, 1 2 3. Right, I'll bring you guys closer. Good catch right there. Woo, so hot. I change my oil every 3,500 miles, only on the Subie, every time. So now with the VR1, I guess I can go like 45, and we'll see, but this is the first time. But with the VR1, I can go like 45 or 5,000 miles easily. This oil still the 530 recommended on the car. Yep, but I don't like it at all because it's not safe. 530 is like, it's like turning into a water when the car is super hot, especially on summertime. So I don't like it at all. Now let's jack the car up. Right, she's up in the air right there. There it is. Oh, it's dark. Here it is dark already. Even 35. Look at that. That's only 3,500 miles. See that? Turning into water. That's why I want to put, see that? That's why I want to put a VR1. No more that 530, 540. That's no bueno. That's no go for a Subie. That's why people make a joke about it, make a meme. Like, did you spawn a rod bearing yet? Or head gasket blues off? Cause it's a water. Make it a figure oil, safe, sand it, no worries. I'm gonna let it dry nicely for like 10 minutes. No rush. I just tighten it a little bit, like so. Tiny bit. That's how I like it. And let's go. VR1. This stuff smells good. Yes, sir. I'll show you guys my free throw later on. Here it is. Missed it. Let's try another one. Right, ready? Free throw. Last one. There we go. All right, let's check the oil. All right. Start it and for like 30 seconds, then check one more time and top it off. Dang guys, you know what I noticed? Two small rock chip on the windshield. Gotta find a way to stop that from cracking. But damn, that sucks. I don't know where those come from. That sucks big time. Oh boy. Let's see. One more time, check the oil now. It's been a minute. Alright, looks like it's perfect. Yeah, on point. 6.2 quarts. There it is.